Most people think opening a home care facility starts with real estate or renovation, and it doesn't. Want to know the step that decides if you open successfully or burn cash first? I'm breaking that down now. Opening a care home facility, buckle up because it's a ride that's equal parts exciting, overwhelming, and where do I even start? This is not the kind of business you just wing. We're talking about people's lives, health, and safety here, so the stakes are high. But with the right game plan, you can turn the idea into something real. First things first, decide what type of care home you want to run. Do you picture a cozy residential home with 6 to 16 residents, more of a family vibe? Or are you aiming for a full-blown assisted living facility, complete with staff, activities, and maybe even a hair salon? Your choice here matters a ton because the rules you'll need to follow and the costs you'll face look completely different depending on that initial setup choice. Next comes the not so fun, but totally essential part: licenses and legal hoops. You see, every state has its own name and requirement. In California, an RAL might be called a residential care facility for the elderly. In another state, it's assisted living, and somewhere else, it's board and care. Same idea, different label. Your state's Department of Health or Social Services is the boss here, and they'll want to see certifications, inspections, and background checks, the works. Many states even require you to take an administrator training before they even let you open your doors. But most states will let you hire out this position, and that's what I recommend that you do. No license equals no business, so start hiring early. You came here for how to open a home care facility, but if you want to see the 5 keys that separate good intentions from actual success, watch this video here next. Now let's talk location. Some people buy a house and convert it into a licensed care home. Others find a property already set up for this type of living. Either way, your building has to check a lot of boxes: fire safety, wheelchair accessibility, enough bathrooms and bedrooms to meet code, and all the right permits, which mean renovations are probably in your future. And renovations, of course, mean money, which brings us to financing. You'll need cash for the property itself, plus licensing fees, renovation, furniture, medical supplies, insurance, and several months of payroll and operating expenses before you even start seeing revenue. Some people use personal savings, others tap into loans, investors, or creative funding options. The bottom line, plan for more than you think you'll need because surprises happen. And remember, just because you can use your own money doesn't mean you have to, need to, or should. I show people how to use OPM to start their assisted living homes every day. So don't get sucked into thinking it's the only way. You're limiting yourself. Of course, there's staffing. This isn't about hiring warm bodies. You need qualified, compassionate people who get that they're not just working a shift, they're stepping into someone's home. Depending on your state, that might mean certified nursing assistants, med techs, or personal care aides, plus cooks, cleaners, and administrative help. Oh, and the states usually have a minimum staff to resident ratio, so you can't just hire one person and expect them to do it all. At the RAL Academy, we highly recommend a 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 ratio for seniors to caregivers. Training matters too. It keeps you compliant and creates the kind of warm, respectful atmosphere that families want. Finally, the fun part, marketing. Families aren't going to hand over grandma to you the first time they see your face on Google. They've got to build trust. And that means having a professional website, showing up in senior care directories, networking with hospitals and senior centers, and giving tours that make people feel at ease. Once you're up and running, word of mouth becomes your MVP. Happy families tell other families, and that is priceless. Go check out this video next, and I'll see you back here for more.